Welcome to this session. In this video, I would like to talk about application of simultaneous equations. And these are the problems that may lead simultaneous linear equations. That means we can have linear equations, or we can have one equation which is linear and the other being quadratic. But this question involves linear and quadratic equations. So you stick around to get how you can go about it. Before we look at this question in detail, let's have a look at it. A two-digit number is decreased by 54 when the digits are reversed. The product of their digits is 16. Find the number. So the numbers which have got two digits include 10 to 99. So we start from 10 to 99. That means any number that falls between these numbers, two numbers, they are two-digit numbers. Now, these two-digit numbers, if we may place them on place value, having tens and ones, for example, 99, this 9 is for ones and this is for tens. Again, 10 is, this is for ones, this is for 99. That means we can have a number like example 39. 39, this is for ones. So to place this one on place value box, we can have 9 here and 3 here. Now, how can we get 39 using this? 39, 30 is like 310, 30. So it's like 30 or like 310, 3 times 10 plus 9 ones, 3 times ones. This give us, like we can get, this is 30 plus 9, giving us 39. We can have another number, or just we have to reverse this one. Reverse of this one is 93. So reverse of this is 93. We start with 9. So 9 is tens now. 3 is ones. Now to rewrite this one is 90. So it's like 910. 9 times 10 plus 3 times 1. So this one is like 90 plus 3, giving us 93. Now this question, we don't know the exact number. Since we don't know the exact number, we may need to let another number, another letter or variable be tens and another variable be ones. Now let m be tens number and n be ones number. Now the number is mn, is mn according to this one. So using place value box, we can have tens and we can have ones. This is m, this is n. So to get this number, actual number is m10, like m multiplied by 10 plus n ones, n multiplied by ones. So this is 10m plus n. And again, the reverse of this number, according to the question, says when the digits are reversed. So let's find reverse. Reverse of this number, we have n under tens and m under ones. Actual number is like 10 n multiplied by n plus m multiplied by ones. This one we get 10 n plus m. Now let's go back to the question. A two-digit number is decreased. That means the original number, this is an original number and this is a reversed number. That means if the reverse is decreased, that means the original number is greater than reversed number. Meaning to say, if we take original number, which is bracket 10m plus n minus open bracket 10n plus m, the result is according to the question which says 54. It's decreased by 54. That means the result is 54. This is first equation. Now, second equation, the product of their digits is 16. That means m multiplied by n, we get 16. So m multiplied by n, we get 16. This is equation number 2. Then let us simplify the first and second equations. So simplification of this is like 10m plus n minus this times this is negative 10n, negative 1 times this is negative m is equal to 54. And this is mn giving us 16. Now 10m minus m is 9m. n minus 10n is negative 9n, getting 54. So we can simplify this by finding common factor. So common factor is 9. 9 divided by 9, divided by 9, divided by 9. So we may divide each term by 9 to simplify this one. Now it's like m minus n is equal to 6. Since 9 into 54 is equal to 6. This is the first equation. Second equation, don't forget, is like m n getting us 16. Now this is equation number 2. Our main aim is to find the value of m and n. Now to find the value of m, we choose the first equation, which is like linear. This is not linear because we have got the product of this and this. Now we make m subject of formula and substitute the result into equation 2. So m subject of formula is like m is equal to, we take n to this side, becomes 6 plus n. So where there is m in the first equation, we put 6 plus n. So m bracket 6 plus n is equal to 16. Now after that we expand, sorry, here should be n, not m. We expand, n times this is 6n, n times this is plus n square. We can say is equal to 16. Rearranging these ones is n square plus 6n, this minus 16 is equal to 0. Then we may multiply quadratic term and this constant. Multiplication of this is negative 16 n square. Two factors that when multiplied, they give us negative 16 n square. And when added or subtracted, they should give us positive 6n. There are two, we can say, is 8n and negative 2n, because 8n minus 2n is positive 6n. 8n times negative 2n is negative 16n square. So as you can see here, this we have made it to be quadratic since we have got power 2. That means we may get two values of n. Now here after that we have like to replace the middle term with these factors. So replacing middle terms, we have got n square plus 6n minus 60, plus 8n minus 2, this is 2n minus 16 is equal to 0. So we may rewrite this one. It's like n square plus 8n minus 2n minus 16 equals 0. Now we find common here, common factor even here. We need to find common factor. So common factor here is n, common factor here is negative 2. Now this is called factorization by grouping. We group into 2. Now n into this one is n plus, into this one is 8, this is negative 2, bracket into negative 2n is positive n, negative 2 into negative 16 is positive 8 equals 0. Then we take, since this bracket and this bracket they are the same, we take factors that are outside and put them into one bracket and choose any one bracket equals 0. This times this is equal to 0. So to get 0, either one of the number should be 0 or both should be 0. Such being the case, we say either n minus 2 equals 0 or n minus 8 equals 0 as well. We are doing this to get the value of n. Now n is equal to 2, sorry, here it should be plus 8, or n is equal to negative 8. So after getting these ones, we substitute into this equation. This equation to get value of m. So m is equal to n plus 6. So we say m is equal to m. Here we can simply say since m is equal to n plus 6, then we say when n is equal to 2, m is equal to 2 plus 6. This gives us 8. When n is equal to negative 8, m is equal to negative 8 plus 6, which is equal to negative 2. Now, we have said the original number is mn. So mn, we say m is, which is equal to 8, 2. If you choose negative, then you combine this and this. But these are negatives, so they can bring confusion. So we can ignore them and concentrate on positive numbers. So the original number is 82. This is the number. So to conclude, we say the number is 82. The number is 82. That means we have answered this question to say find the number. We have answered this question to say find the number. If we try to revise this number, a 2-digit number is decreased by 54. If we try to reverse this one, we get 28. So we have got original. This is like proof. So original equals 82. Reverse equals 28. Now, the number is decreased by 54. That means 82 minus 28. We are getting 54. This is true. And the product of 2 and 8 is 16. So that's how we can answer that question. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please to support it, give thumbs up and also subscribe. Otherwise, thank you for watching.